of 7.70. And our gold medalist, we have Risha Vanessa Magno with a throwing distance of 8.51. Let us congratulate our shot put winner. Okay, let's move on to our discus throw event, our bronze medalist. We have Ezra Luis Sermona of Binabagan Catholic College, throwing distance of 30.86. Next, we have your silver medalist, Danica Ibanez of Masbate Sports Academy, with a throwing distance of 20.17. And last, our gold medalist, we have Risha Vanessa Michael with a throwing distance of 20.48. Let's give it up for our discus throw